So most trails in Utah, or canyons, are free. I swear I keep hearing something like big. Yeah, most canyons are free. So I tried it and I realized I forgot my wallet. My wallet. Whoa, what the fuck? Holy son of a bitch. That scared me. Okay. It's just like a squirrel thing. Okay. Jeez. But yeah, I can't, you're supposed to pay on the way out, and I forgot my wallet, so that's gonna be funny. I have to find enough quarters in my car, hopefully to pay the $5 fee to get out of here. Damn. I'm shaky from that now. Jeez. Okay.